Tropical update as of 5:40 a.m. PST, September 30th. As you can see right there, two hurricanes, Imelda and Humberto. Humberto's getting shared pretty bad this morning. Let's be perfectly honest. I mean, but the hurricanes nonetheless. Um, here's here is Imelda. Here's the 5 a.m. update. It had a pressure of 983 millibars. Um, yeah, but the latest intermediate advisory as of 8 a.m. It says it became a hurricane, 75 miles per hour, moving north east at 35 degrees at 7 miles per hour with 980 millbar pressure. Um, it's moving northeast now, and this is Humberto. Like that's Humberto, and this is a middle. It doesn't look, neither system looks too good, but we call them foul hurricane force winds in the middle. I really don't see this storm strengthening very fast, but maybe in the next couple of days it could strengthen a little bit more. I mean, let's look at the models this morning. First to track, I mean, it takes you towards Bermuda. There's a hurricane watch for Bermuda late Wednesday. Then it becomes extra tropical. Then after hurricane models show this support this idea. GFS. Um, Intensity models actually take it around 75 knots by 48 hours. So yeah, we're gonna continue seeing some strengthening, but I mean, then we're gonna see weakening in the next tropical transition. Then after next, we're gonna look at Humberto, which has absolutely been destroyed in many ways. It's down to 75 knots, 32.5 north, 69.8 west. And the hurricane track takes it well to the north of Bermuda, it turns it east, and it actually tropical transition by Wednesday afternoon. Um, as you can see, which is in line with the models, intensity wise, it will clearly be weakening below tropical storm by 48 hours. Pretty much actually tropical then around that period too. And here it is. I mean, totally decupped of convection over the LC. And here's Bermuda right here. Lastly, we got Tropical Depression 15E, which is better looking in both of them. LC is a little bit sheared, but convection is mostly over the center. Um, 15E is at 9.3 north, 115 west, 30 knot winds. Should move, it's moving west northwest at 5, but should turn to the northwest for the next 24 hours, then back to the west northwest for a couple of days. Um, which is what the Balls also think. I think a ridge builds back to the north, then potentially another trough longer term. We'll have to see. Uh, GFS also shows this snow possibly even more pronounced longer term. Intensity, I mean, mostly around 50 knots by 96 to $120, but I feel models do take it higher. Higher would be actually more west. I mean, it depends on how far north it gets. It needs to stay south, you know, and that's just the way it is. Um, Other development is longer term. Another system forms off the coast of Mexico and Central America It has a 70% in the next 7 days of formation into a tropical cyclone. Yeah. Well, I got some balls. I mean, her GFS at 96 hours, you start seeing it form with 15 right there. 120, it's 1,000 millibars. You also have a system south of Louisiana that kind of peaking my answers a little bit. ECMWS often shows the system off Mexico. CMC shows it much further south, but close to a hurricane, Central America. CMC takes it inland and weakens it. ECMWF has it much further northwest, offshore at 144. ECMWF explodes to a Cat 2 976 millibars at 180. GFS agrees 944, even stronger. Incredible. Uh, yeah, got a little bit of low pressure across over the big and peachy about this is 966 from GFS. Look at 216 on GFS for the leg. Got a system there in the Cape Verge. Mm. On. Yeah, really not much for formation possibilities in the Atlantic over the next 10 to 15 days. I mean, everything's got to be interesting in the Eastern Pacific. I mean, that's just the way it is. So once the storms are gone, once our storms, hurricanes are gone, I mean, things could quiet down for the lake, but stay active in the Eastern Pacific. Wow, that's your tropical update.